all you need to know about snakes. Snake is a term that refers to a group of elongated, legless reptiles. There are over 3,500 known species of snakes, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Physical characteristics. Snakes are typically characterized by their long, slender bodies, which are covered in scales. They lack limbs, but some species have vestigial structures such as pelvic spurs or tiny claws. Most snakes have a distinct head that is wider than their neck, and they have jaws that are capable of opening very wide to consume prey. Snakes have a forked tongue that they use to smell their environment, and they shed their skin periodically to grow. Diet and hunting. Snakes are carnivorous and eat a variety of prey, including insects, rodents, birds, and other reptiles. Some larger species, such as pythons and anacondas, are even capable of consuming large mammals. Snakes hunt using a variety of methods, including ambush, pursuit, and constriction. Some venomous species also use their venom to subdue prey. Behavior. Snakes are generally solitary creatures, but some species form communal groups. They are ectothermic, which means that they rely on their environment to regulate their body temperature. Many species are nocturnal, but some are active during the day. Venomous versus non-venomous. Not all snakes are venomous, but those that are can be quite dangerous to humans. Venomous snakes have specialized glands that produce venom, which they inject into their prey or predators using modified teeth or fangs. It's important to note that not all venomous snakes are aggressive or pose a threat to humans, and many bites can be prevented with caution and proper education. Conservation status. Many species of snakes are threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and other human activities. Some species, such as the black mamba and king cobra, are also hunted for their skin or used in traditional medicine. Conservation efforts have been implemented to protect snake populations, and many countries have laws in place to regulate hunting and trade. Overall, snakes are fascinating and diverse creatures that play important roles in their ecosystems. While some species may pose a danger to humans, many more are harmless and beneficial. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.